Alright, ladies and germs, here we go. This one's done. It's a goner. It's in the books. Unfortunately, our printer just died, so I'm going to ship Marshall these last couple labels for this radio because we just added those goods to it. So this is what we did with this one now. It's all done. He's got his Super Duty module on this switch. And then when he's not in Super Duty mode, he can check his SWRs right there. And then all the rest of this is his AM power right here. Okay. And then he's got the channels. Now what this was, it started off as a Tram DX or a Tram D-300. And Jeff, you want to pull the top off this? It's not. Yeah. There we go. There's a nice look at the inside. Here's the inside top side. 148 board. 30 amp power supply. 6-digit frequency display driver. He's got channels on the back. External speaker. This does not have an internal speaker. And then the one thing we look for on all these radios, the big heat sink on the bottom. So let's get down to business. Marshall, this is what we came up with, dude. Here we go. On AM with 100 watt slug, Super Duty module off. Okay. Audio. It's like 1 watt swinging 20. Then all he's got to do is flip this to SD. Go back up here. Audio. That was just short of 80. Audio. A nice 75 watts of peak swing. And we put another thing on here which is kind of cool. He can also use this as a nice monitor radio and not have to have his mic plugged in. Receives without a mic. Kind of cool. So we set that up that way. And that's this little circuit we put in down here. That's what lets him receive without a mic. And also this doubles as a place where he can jump noise toys in. If he wants to add noise toys, his audio wire is right there. And his transmit wire is right here. So he can go right in there and just add whatever noise toys he wants. Other than that, this one's a goner, man. It's warming up again. We had it shut off for a little while. The counter works accurately. Transmit and receive AM, upper sideband, lower sideband. Everything works perfectly. The meter, I don't know if you can see that little green tinge around the meter. And then when he keys, you see it turns red in there. That's kind of a cool little feature we just put on there for him. Instead of having a light sticking out the front, we just made it ambiently light up the rest of the outside of the meter. So just a kind of neat little gig that goes in there. And then over here, when he's not in Super Duty mode, he can calibrate his SWRs like normal. Hook the SWR and get his reading. But then when he wants to go Super Duty, he's going to have to use his external counter. And then this meter goes dormant. Anytime he's in Super Duty mode, it kind of let him know, hey, it's on. When this meter is not doing anything, you need to be consulting your external meters. And that's what that is for. So, in the end, this is what he got. Let's start at the beginning. This was empty box. We gutted it down to nothing. Okay. Did a wood grain face on the front. Cobra 2000 knobs. New Cobra 148 channels. We did not pop the clarifier. 6-digit frequency counter. Transmit and receive. 30 amp power supply. And Super Duty modification. Receives without a mic over there. Echo board over here. Variable power. That's the variable power too. Let's check that out. Turn the dynamite down. Oop. And then we can turn it up nice and slow. So we got that going on there. He's got, that is on this control right here. So he is all done. We are going, this is Monday, the what? Today's date?
4th, I think.
Today's the 4th. We're going to say around the 4th. He's got about 24 hours of baking on the test rack over here. It's going to get moved. And as long as by this time tomorrow we have no problems, and I don't think we're going to because we've done been through this thing with a fine-tooth comb. He's going to love this radio when we get it. Marshall, thank you for being patient. All your goods are in it. A couple more goods than you ordered, but that's on us. And thank you very much for being our loyal compatriot customer. We dig it. I hope you dig it, buddy. There it is, the first one out of this shop that's complete from the ground up. keep your eyes open for that one. That's coming, the DAC 9. There's its face over there getting redone. We're going to work on that one tomorrow. But this one, this little Super Duty, super custom from the front to back is done. And we had a lot of fun doing it for him. So here it is, Bubba. I hope it's what you want. 7-3s, everybody. Thanks for hanging out with us.